Hello, this is AK's Garage, and today I'll be working on a Corvette Ls3. This is what I'll be working on. Today I will be doing a little engine work. We have a nice oil leak on this Corvette, and also we have a bad balancer, harmonic balancer here. So I'll be tearing this down and record everything, most of it. I'm not too good at recording everything, but I'll probably start with this hood, or removing this hood, getting it out of my way, and then I'll start focusing on all the plastic pieces that's surrounding the radiator, all that good stuff. So I gotta take the power steering pump off, I gotta take off a lot of stuff. So this is what I'll be working on. This is AK's Garage, as you can see. I believe this is a 2007 Corvette. Once I get this done, get this out of the way, then I'll focus back onto, that over there. Just gotta do some painting on that. But this is AK's Garage, and this is what's going down.